Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use workflow in JotForm. First, navigate to your form settings and locate the Workflow Builder. This powerful tool allows you to automate your submission processes, saving you valuable time and effort. You can easily drag and drop various elements, such as approval steps, emails, and conditional branches, onto your canvas. Connect these elements to define a clear, logical path for every form submission, ensuring smooth operations from start to finish. Now, let's design the core of your workflow. Add approval steps where team members can review and act on submissions. Implement conditional logic to automatically route submissions based on specific criteria, ensuring they reach the right person. Integrate email notifications to keep everyone informed at every stage. You can also assign tasks directly to individual team members, streamlining accountability and collaboration within your organization. Once your workflow is active, managing submissions becomes straightforward. All pending submissions will appear in your JotForm inbox, ready for review. You can approve or deny requests with just one click, providing immediate feedback. Add comments to any submission for clear communication and context, ensuring everyone understands the decision. This centralized system allows you to effortlessly track the status of every single submission, from initiation to completion. Finally, it's crucial to monitor and optimize your workflows for peak performance. JotForm provides analytics to help you understand how your workflows are performing. Use this data to identify any bottlenecks or areas where processes could be more efficient. Don't hesitate to adjust steps, conditions, or assignments as needed to refine your workflow. Continuous refinement ensures your automated processes remain highly efficient and effective, saving you countless hours over time.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.